Good afternoon and welcome to the Crypto Market News Desk. I'm your host, Dickie Armour, and I'd like to wish you a very happy St. George's Day. Let's slay some cryptocurrency dragons out there. I've got that coming up later. I'm going to be talking about the market, price of Bitcoin, what's going on in the market. I'm going to be talking about a very exciting new cryptocurrency that's landed in the top 40. I'm going to be talking about scams, not dogs that can juggle, but scammers, and what Martin Lewis is doing about it, along with some other scams that you should be aware of on Facebook. All of that on today's St. George's Day Crypto Market News Desk. So Bitcoin hits $9,000 for the first time in over a month. The cryptocurrency market capitalization hit $400 billion first thing this morning. Great moves for St. George's Day, the slaying of the dragon, and market cap, as I say, 400 billion, but it's still down over 50% from the December highs last year. But really interesting, there were more buy orders than anything over the weekend. In fact, 92% of all orders were buy orders, and that's the first time that's happened since March 2017. That's why the crypto market's been flying over the last few days. It looks like it's taken a momentarily pause, but there've only been little pauses over the last few days, and then it's pushed on again. So let's see whether those buy orders keep pushing it upwards. And an exciting new crypto landed in the top 40, Zilliqa. Z-I-L-L-I-Q-A. Zilliqa. What is it? Not many people have heard about it. It's jumped all the way from 0.038 of a cents, so just under 4 cents, and it's jumped all the way up to nearly 9 cents. So it's jumped 130% in the last 10 days. Who says you can't make money in this crypto market? And a lot of cleverer people than me are saying it's going to go even higher. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice on this show. You know that by now. I don't give financial advice. But Zilliqa looks interesting for a couple of reasons. People are saying it could be the killer of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not me, but this is what some people think. And the reason being, it's a really, really exciting blockchain project. And they've got a revolutionary new concept called sharding. I won't go into the details because you know I'm not that technical. But sharding means that they've got super fast transactions. In fact, when testing, they did over 2,400 transactions in a second. Now that means it's a super fast payment system. Now it hasn't been implemented on the public blockchain yet. That's happening on the 23rd of May, so a month today. So a lot of people getting very excited about that, and that's what's been causing the price to increase. But not only that, they're using some clever programming called Scala programming language, and that enables it to write smart contracts that are easy to verify. So people are saying that not only is it revolutionizing the development of decentralized applications and writing smart contracts, but it's going to be super fast to make payments using Zilliqa. And that's good news for the wide array of stores and merchants that have been looking to take cryptocurrencies online. Imagine going into Starbucks and paying for your coffee using cryptocurrencies and then having to wait there for the 20 minutes whilst the transaction gets verified. With Zilliqa, that could be a thing of the past. So watch this space. Again, I'm not giving you a recommendation, just bringing you news. And I've got a dog that can juggle story. It's not a dog that can juggle story. It's a scam alert. Scam alert. Beware, beware. So we know there's loads of fake ads out there, and Facebook and Twitter and Google, and we reckon soon it will be LinkedIn as well, are banning any of these sponsored adverts to do with cryptocurrencies and ICOs from their social media platforms. Well, Facebook hasn't been doing that good a job, or maybe the scammers have been doing a good job of disguising their adverts. Martin Lewis is up in arms, the guy behind the money supermarket. He has come out news today saying that he's going to be suing Facebook for the adverts that have been using his face and quotes about him. Now, it's not Facebook doing those adverts, but obviously they're selling the ad space and allowing those adverts on their platform. He's had enough of it, so he's suing them, and we'll see what happens. Now, I checked Facebook today, earlier this morning, and you can see from this post here, this was a post on my timeline today. I put up the date and time when I took a screenshot just to verify it. In fact, you can see below the advert, there's a post from a mate of mine, Stephen Thomas, and he's actually talking about St. George's Day. So you know that that advert was posted today, Monday, the 23rd of April. And this one's got a picture of Peter Jones, and it's about Dragon's Den. And if you click Learn More, which I've done, it takes you into this website, which is some website on magentoresearch.com, talking about Dragon's Den, a whole article, supposedly what all the dragons have been saying about Bitcoin Trader and how amazing it is. But in fact, when you click the Bitcoin Trader link and then fill out the form, it actually takes you to a website called CryptoPoint, based in Slough. And what they are, it's not a scam per se, but they're trying to pretend you're going to make loads of money. Now, of course, you could lose loads of money. Funny that they're not advertising the fact that you could lose loads of money. But it's about binary options and CFDs, contracts for differences. You don't need to be using these platforms to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I've said it time and time again. If you want to buy these cryptocurrencies, you can just go onto the exchanges, open an account with the exchange, and buy them directly at the market price from the different exchanges. If you want to know more about that, you can view one of my previous shows where I talked all about how you can buy cryptocurrencies. So don't get duped into clicking these ads on Facebook. Don't get sucked into all the sensationalism, the videos of all the money that people have been making. It's a load of rot. Investments go down as well as up. And especially if you're going to use risky things like binary options and contracts for differences, there's margin calls involved. You're putting a lot of money on the line, and if the market goes against you, you lose more money than your original stake. It is not worth playing on those risky markets because you don't need to. So as ever, buyer beware. But let's hope Martin Lewis's lawsuit starts to slay the dragons of all of these scams. And as I've said, this is about the third or fourth time that I've reported these scams. Please, please do not click these sponsored ads on Facebook. If it looks and sounds too good to be true, then you know it is. If you want to invest money in cryptocurrencies, then come and speak to me first. I'm not going to take your money because I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an investment manager, but I will give you help, advice and guidance on how you can buy it from the cryptocurrency exchanges rather than these binary options and contract for difference platforms. Don't do it. And that's why Martin Lewis is suing Facebook. So there we go. That's it for this show. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Dickie Armour from Bristol in the UK. I'll see you same time tomorrow.